Yo, what's up, everybody? As y'all can see, it is raining really hard out there. And let's see, we got to open the door for a little bit. We can't keep the door open. See, look at that. Look at that, it's raining really hard. I don't know if y'all know where Oklahoma is, but yeah, let me show y'all something. See, this is News 9. They're talking about the areas where the weather, where the storms and tornadoes are coming from. And this is not a national disaster video. This is just a weather type video. So yeah, right there, as y'all can see, talking about. And I'm in the city of Oklahoma, so but the tornado is coming from more of Oklahoma and Norman. And so, yeah, that's weather for you. Yes, everybody. I hope y'all like, comment, and subscribe on YouTube and Top Buzz. And I will talk y'all later. Peace out.